Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best, strongest pre-workout powders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Transparent Labs Bulk Black. If your goal is to improve your athletic performance and power output in the gym, then we recommend Transparent Labs Bulk Black. This supplement contains a potent combination of 4,000 milligrams of beta-alanine, 500 milligrams of betaine anhydrous, and 10 other active ingredients. Beta-alanine, a non-essential amino acid, may improve potential power output by reducing muscle fatigue, allowing you to push out a few more reps while you exercise. And studies show betaine anhydrous may improve muscular endurance. These ingredients work together to enhance your training, paving the way for strength gains over time. Each serving of Bulk Black also contains 350 milligrams of caffeine, which is close to the recommended daily limit of 400 milligrams. Overall, the impressive formulation earns 4 out of 5 stars from our team, as we docked a point for the high caffeine content, since it may be too intense for some people. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Legion Pulse Pre-Workout. Legion Pulse is our pick for the strongest natural pre-workout because it's free from artificial sweeteners, flavors, and colors, and contains 6 active ingredients that support enhanced energy. As a captain and CNC, I look for 4 main ingredients in a high-quality pre-workout supplement: caffeine, beta-alanine, betaine anhydrous, and L-citrulline. Each plays a key role in enhancing athletic performance. If you're new to pre-workout or are caffeine sensitive, you can also choose the non-stim version of Pulse. So even though we'd like to see creatine in the formulation, we still give this a strong score of 4 out of 5 stars, especially since there's a caffeine-free version. At number 3, we have the Nutricost Pre-X Xtreme Pre-Workout. While many strong pre-workouts cost around $2 per serving, Nutricost Pre-X is our pick for the strongest budget pre-workout because it costs less than half of that. At about 93 cents per serving, one tester called it the best value on the market, and I agree, giving this a perfect score of 5 out of 5 for price per serving. Although some budget pre-workouts lack key ingredients, Pre-X contains the 4 main ones we like to see in a pre-workout: caffeine, beta-alanine, betaine anhydrous, and L-citrulline. The price is better than most other pre-workouts I've tried, especially for a supplement this good, says one tester. Each serving of Pre-X has 300 milligrams of caffeine and 4,000 milligrams of L-citrulline, so you should feel energized and get a good pump with this pre-workout. I got a decent pump and had a calm focus without feeling overstimulated, one tester says. Some testers say Pre-X has a slightly lower dosage of beta-alanine than some other pre-workouts on our list, but others say they experienced noticeable tingles during their workout. At number 2, we have the Jacked Factory NitroSurge Pre-Workout. Whether you like a strong pre-workout that's sweet, sour, fruity, or tart, Jacked Factory NitroSurge has a fit for you. With 11 options, you can stick to your favorite or keep a few flavors in rotation to keep your taste buds on their proverbial toes. Between the deep lineup and satisfying flavors, NitroSurge earned a perfect score for taste. One of our testers tried strawberry margarita, and let's just say she was more than satisfied with her sipping experience. Another tester prefers Jacked Factory NitroSurge to some other strong pre-workouts he's tried. I did not like the pink lemonade flavor of Legion Pulse, but I would definitely use the grape NitroSurge again, he says. As for its effectiveness, for one of our product testers, it took about 20 minutes to feel NitroSurge kick in. At that point, he felt like he could lift harder. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gorilla Mode Pre-Workout. For bodybuilders, a pump is a sign of a successful training session. Increased blood flow to the muscles makes them feel fuller and appear larger and more vascular during and after a workout. A pump also promotes muscle growth by delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to the muscles as blood flow increases. While you can achieve a pump through high representative sets, drop sets, and supersets, high-stim pre-workouts like Gorilla Mode are specially designed to improve your pump. Gorilla Mode contains several pump-enhancing ingredients in each scoop, including 5,000 milligrams of pure L-citrulline, more per scoop than any other pre-workout on our list, and 2,000 milligrams of hydroprime glycerol powder. L-citrulline works to widen blood vessels, increasing blood flow to the muscles. Glycerol powder is rapidly absorbed by the muscles and draws in water, which can cause muscle cell swelling. If you're caffeine sensitive or budget conscious, this intense pre-workout may not be the best for you. Although one serving only contains 200 milligrams of caffeine, you will need to take 2 servings to get research-backed doses of some key ingredients, including creatine monohydrate. Only 2.5 gram per serving. At that point, you'd be at 400 milligrams of caffeine, which is the total amount the FDA says is safe for adults to consume per day. For this reason, we docked a point off the formulation, giving Gorilla Mode 4 out of 5 stars in this category. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.